Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install or set up PySpark 3.5.5 on Debian 12 operating systems. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to Spark official website, that is spark.apache.org. Enter, then click on documentation, then click on this latest release. Then scroll down, see here Spark runs on Java 8, 11 or 17 and Python version must be 3.8 or later versions. Okay, so you must have Java 8 or 11 or 17 and Python version must be 3.8 or later. So open terminal, verify whether we have the Java installed or not. Java hyphen version. See, you don't have Java, then also verify Python version, Python 3. See, we have the Python 3 version 3.11. So it is the later version of this 3.8. Okay, so Ctrl G to quit. So we have to install the Java. Open new tab, go to oracle.com, then click on products, scroll down, then click on this Java, then click on download Java. See, here we have the newer version, but we need Java 17. So if you are unable to find the version, you have to click on this Java archives. Then scroll down. See, here we have the older version. So click on this Java 17. Scroll down. For Debian or Ubuntu or Linux Mint, we have to download this Linux Debian package. So click on it. Select the checkbox and click on download. Now it will ask us to register or sign in. See, if you have an account, you can log in, but if you don't have account, you can click on create account. It is free. I have already created account, so I am logging in. I am logging with my credentials. See, I have successfully logged in. Now it will start the download. See, download started and its size is 150 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal again. cd downloads ls. See, here we have the JDK Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i, then give JDK, give the tab and hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, this user is not in sudo's file, so switch to root account. ls. Now run the same command, sudo dpkg-i, jdk, give the tab, hit enter. You have successfully installed Java version to verify the installed or not. See, we have installed Java JDK 17. Okay, so this file is not required anymore. So give rm, give JDK, give the tab ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so both prerequisites match. Now download this Spark. Click on this download page or go to home or go back. Again go back. See, here we have the download option. Click on it. Then select the version. See, here the latest stable release is 3.5.5. Then click on download. Then click on this download Spark. Click on it. See, then click on the first link. See, download started and its size is 382 megabytes. Again, I am asking you, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Go to terminal. ls. See, here we have the Spark 3.5.5 zip file. We have to unzip. tar-xf xvzf. Then give Spark, give the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. See, extraction is going on. ls. See, here just I changed the color of this terminal. See, here we have the Spark directory and this is a zip file. It is not required. rm, give Spark, give it dot, give it ls. See, here we have the extracted directory. Now we have to copy contents of this directory to cp-r then give Spark, then copy this to OPT Spark, hit enter. Generally, if you are not with root account, you have to give sudo. Okay, so now go to this /opt ls. See here we have the Spark directory. Okay, now we have to set up the environment variables. Sudo vi sudo or nano, whatever the editor that you are familiar, you can use it. Tilde symbol /dot -rc. Go to the bottom of the file, Shift A, hit enter, export Spark _home equals to /opt /Spark. Enter. Path equals to $path $Spark _home /bin. Hit enter, save the file, WQ exclamation. Now source tilde symbol //.-rc. Hit enter. Now we have set everything correct. Control A. Now run the command spark -shell. Hit enter. See, now we are able to connect successfully. See, we got the Spark version 3.5.5, and see here it is the Scala shell. It is not visible, so I am changing back. This is the Scala shell. You want web UI context, just copy this one, right click, copy, new tab, paste it, hit enter. See, we don't have any jobs, stages also nothing, environment. See, we got the Spark shell. Even if you go to here, see here we have the Spark shell. Executors, see, we don't have anything. See, okay, we don't have anything. Okay, so see, this is Scala shell. But if you want PySpark, Control D to quit, Control A, then use PySpark. Hit enter. See, now we got the Python 3.1.11, and see here it is Python shell. This is the version. Okay, now copy this one again, copy it, new tab, paste it, hit enter. See, now it is PySpark shell. Okay, if you go to environment, see, it is PySpark shell. Okay, now we will see, but see here we don't have jobs or stages because we haven't done anything. Let me create sample data frame. Go to examples, scroll down, create this data frame, copy it, go to the shell, paste it, hit enter. Now run df.show method. See stages. See, we got the output of the data frame. Now if we go to PySpark shell, if we refresh, see, we got the jobs. Even if we go to stages, see here, and also notice here, before we don't have this column. Now we have the SQLR data frame. Okay, storage. See, in SQLR data frame, we have this one. Okay, so we have successfully configured. If you want to quit, Control G or Control D. Okay, now go to home directory, cd home r2 schools ls, go to downloads. See, this directory is not required, rm-rf. See, you must be in downloads directory, otherwise it will delete the directory in OPT. Okay, so I am in downloads directory. Okay, use Spark, give the tab ls. See, we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to install or set up PySpark 3.5.5 on Debian 12 operating systems, but the process is same on all Debian operating systems. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.